Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will guide you through the process of opening a Revolut account in the UK. Revolut is a fantastic digital banking solution that offers financial services. But before we start our journey with Revolut, you might want to make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content, okay? So, all you gotta do is go here to the revolut.com website, or you can simply go to your mobile device and go to your Play Store, App Store, and download the Revolut app, okay? Simply search for it. And then, once the app is installed, open it and tap on sign up. For example, here, you might want to go for sign up. Okay. And you will be prompted to enter your phone number, but make sure you have the access to the phone you entered, as Revolut will send you a verification code. And after you receive the verification code via SMS, enter it into the app to confirm your phone number. Okay. Also, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your phone name, date of birth, and your email address. Make sure this information is accurate. Now set up a 4-digit PIN. You'll use this PIN to access your Revolut account. So choose something secure and easy to remember. But take note, guys, to ensure the security of your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Take a clear picture of your ID, such as passport or driver's license, and follow the app's instruction to submit it. And once your account is set up, Revolut will send you a physical card if your plan includes one, and you'll need to activate it using the app. And follow the activation process as instructed. And then you'll need to load funds into your Revolut account. You can do this via a bank transfer or by linking your existing cards. And there you have it, guys. You've successfully learned how to open a Revolut account in the UK. It's a fantastic way to manage your finances digitally. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.